UMIDIGI S2 Pro, and let me show you how to enter the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. From the following options, we need to hold down the power off. Keep holding power off. The following information should pop up, so if you would like to reboot to safe mode, let's tap OK. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the safe mode pops up. Alright, as you can see, the home screen pops up, the device is in safe mode. You can unlock the phone and check out how your device works without the third-party apps. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's just simply press power key, tap restart and tap OK to confirm it. The device is rebooting into a normal mode. Excellent, the home screen pops up, so now you can unlock the phone and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.